Hey guys, and welcome to another UK random video. Right, so today I have another unboxing video for you guys. Now, I treated myself early in December. I wanted to get myself a gimbal for my smartphone so I can get out and about and make videos without it all being shaky. So I've done a little bit of research. I don't want to say major research, but I did find one that I liked. It's the DJI Osmo. It's the Mobile 3 combo. Now, I found it was just over £100 with some accessories, but I wanted to get the accessory pack that had the tripod as well. So I was doing more research and I stumbled across one. It took me to the Maplins website, and I was a bit confused because Maplins closed down now, a couple of years ago, but the website is still live, and I found the exact kit that I was looking for with the tripod for £100. So I thought, you know what, sod it, I'm treating myself. It's my Christmas present. Now, Christmas has passed and it's still sitting in the box. So without further ado, let's open it and see what comes in the box. Now, I'm not going to do any demos with it, but I'm going to show you exactly how it comes. So here it is. The box is smaller than I was expecting, but let's get it open. Let's adjust the camera so you can see me getting it out of the box. Ugh. Get some of this crap off of here. Right. So I have seen quite a few gimbals and the prices vary. Now, the really good ones are very pricey, but for £100, let's see what you get. Okay, so we have the hard case. I'm not sure if the gimbal's in here. Let's open this up and see what is in here. All right, so in here we've got the USB charging cable. Bloody hell. It's a bit tight. So we have instructions, guarantee, warranty, which I don't think we'll be using. Right, okay, so here is the tripod, which folds up perfectly. So there's your tripod stand, which you can also use to hold like so. What else is in here? There's the little strap to keep it attached to your wrist, so if anyone tries to rob you while you're videoing, it'll make it a bit difficult for them. Okay, this is a little drawstring bag to put it in. So far so good. There's the branding on the case as well, which is a nice touch. It's actually a nice hard case. Oh, and there's a little compartment here as well. So here is the gimbal. Wow. Let's see if there's any power on it. I've got no idea how to even use it, but there you go. It actually has some nice weight to it. It's not one of these cheap and cheerful ones that you pick up on eBay for 30 odd quid. I was almost tempted to get one of the cheaper ones, but I thought, you know what, if you're spending the money, do it once. So there you go, your tripod screws on like so. So that is spot on. Oh, and it powers up, which is a result. So there is a bit of charge. I'm not expecting there to be too much charge on it. You've got instructions on the top, which I'm going to try and read. Oh, it's in Chinese. Okay. Press and hold the record button, trigger, and end button simultaneously for 1 second to forget the Bluetooth device. Okay, that's just to reset it. Okay. Oh my God, I've got no idea. I should really get the instructions out. But that is really cool. So let's flip that open. Here is your USB area slot, should I say, on the side, so you can charge it. I'm not sure what this one is. Here you've got the zoom features, and there's your on-off switch, there's your record switch, and this must be for direction. I'm really looking forward to trying this out. So guys, do any of you guys have a gimbal? I've seen a few of my fellow YouTubers that I follow do have them. Which ones do you have, and what do you reckon? Have any of you used the DJI Osmo? Is it any good? Obviously, for £100, I don't expect it to be as good as the £300-400 ones that I've been seeing. But I'm on a bit of a budget because I have an expensive hobby, should I say. So yeah, this is brilliant. I've got the case, which it fits in perfectly. Got my accessories. So I'm really looking forward to using this. I was hoping that I would have got it before Christmas in time to get out, go have a look around, see what's going on, make some really good videos for you guys. But unfortunately, we've been stuck in another lockdown. We're in tier 4, probably going to tier 5 or tier 6 very soon. I've got no idea what they are. I'm not sure if you're allowed to open your windows anymore. But you know what, is what it is. It also has this as part of the set. Little sticky rubber pads. Not sure where they go, but we will have a look at the instructions. You know what, most of it's in blooming Chinese. That's so okay. We've got to go to the back. Okay, we've got Spanish, we've got German. Where's the English? Jesus, English has to be somewhere. Okay, so we do have some English, which is good. I'm going to go through this, and hopefully in the next couple of videos, you're going to see this bad boy in action. Guys, like I said, let me know what you think. If you've got any advice on how to use this thing, or any secrets or tricks that you know, please let me know. I'm really looking forward to trying this out. And yeah, guys, give us your likes, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. And Maplins is alive still. Peace.